Good morning, children. How are you all? Good? Great. So, in today's class, what we have to do? We have to revise our chapter number 2. Okay? The name of our chapter is Uses of a Computer. Okay? So, in our last classes, chapter number 2 is already done. Okay? So, what we have to do? We have to revise the chapter. For that, today I will share you a PDF. Okay? PDF of revision sheet. Okay? In that revision sheet, 3 questions are there. Okay? Question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay? Question number 1 having 6 or 7 blanks. Okay? Question number 2 having 4 to 5 blanks. Question number 3 is all about true and false. So, what we have to do? You have to read that questions and write down their answer. Okay? क्या करेंगे हम? आज मैम आपको क्या कर रही है? मैम will share you a PDF. मैम एक PDF share करेगी. In that PDF, many questions are there. What we have to do? You have to write down their answers. Okay? So first, in today's class, first I will explain you. Okay? What type of questions are there? Okay? कि हम answers कैसे लिखेंगे? Clear? So now, after that, you have to just download that PDF and write down the answers. Okay? So, ready for discussion? Start करें, मैम आपको explain करना. Okay. So, before we start, let's take a quick recap. Okay? About what is the uses of a computer with the help of a video. तो रेडी है वीडियो देखने के लिए? एक छोटा सा वीडियो जो मैम थोड़ा सा रिकॉल करेंगे हम. सो स्टार्ट करें. ओके, लेट्स वॉच.
Places where computers are used. Computers are used for many different types of work at various places. Let us learn about some of the places where computers are used. At home, to do homework and to play games. In hotels and resorts, to record details of guests and also to generate bills. At airports, to book flight tickets for customers and to get flight and booking details. In hospitals, to record details of patients and also to generate bills. In banks, to help customers deposit and take out money. In schools, to teach students and to maintain student records.
So, I hope you enjoyed that video. Now, it's time to come on our revision sheet. Okay? So, what is the first question? Okay? The first question is, write the names of the places where computers are used to do the following task. क्या करना है? You have to write the places name. आपको एक लाइन दी हुई है, उसको रीड करना है और किस प्लेस पे उसका यूज होता है. You have to write that spelling. Okay? So the first is deposit and withdraw money. पैसे जमा कराने के लिए और निकालने के लिए कौन सा प्लेस होता है? Tell me. देखा था वीडियो में? Yes, the answer is banks. So you have to write down banks. BANKS. Easy. Now number 2, book tickets. Tickets book करने कहाँ पे करते हो? Yes, airport and railway station. Okay, you have to write down both spellings, airport and railway stations. Okay, और अब अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है कि हम कैसे लिखेंगे स्पेलिंग, so no problem, you have to write down the spellings with the help of your book. अगर आप बुक से भी देख के लिख सकते हो और अगर आपको लर्न है तो इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर यू. ओके, नाउ नंबर 3, प्ले गेम्स. गेम्स कहाँ पे खेल सकते हो? यस, द आंसर इज एट होम्स. नंबर 4, to keep records of patients. कहाँ पे रखा जाता है पेशेंट्स का रिकॉर्ड? Tell me. Hospitals. Very good. In hospitals. Okay. Tell me the spelling of hospitals. 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 Okay. Hospitals. Okay. Now number 5. Records of guest. कहाँ पे गेस्ट का रिकॉर्ड रखा जाता है? In hotels. Okay. Now number 6, to make bills of food items. आपके खाना खाने जाते हो तो कहाँ पे बिल्स बनता है खाना खाने के लिए? यस, इन रेस्टोरेंट्स. ओके, सो ऐसे लिखना है. ओके, मैम ने अभी आपको सारे आंसर भी शेयर किए ना, सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द स्पेलिंग्स. ओके, नाउ नंबर 2. Number 2 is name any 4 places near your house where computers are used. क्या करेंगे? You have to write down any 4 places name. कोई भी 4 जगहों के नाम लिखेंगे where computers are used. आपके घर के आसपास कुछ होगा ना, कोई ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे कंप्यूटर का यूज होता है. For example, shops, malls, restaurants, hotels, banks. अगर आपके घर के पास बैंक है, ATM है, okay, you can write down that place's name. Okay, any 4 name. Okay, it's your choice. Now number 3. Number 3 is all about write true T and false F. Okay, true for correct statement, सही होगा तो हम true लिखेंगे T, and false F for an incorrect statement. अगर sentence wrong है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? false. Okay, right and cross नहीं लगाएंगे. Okay, if the statement is correct then you have to write true. Okay, ऐसे right मत लिखना, true T लिखेंगे. Okay, and if the statement is incorrect तो then you have to write F, false. Okay, so the first is in banks computer are used to keep records of patients. In banks, क्या बैंक के अंदर कंप्यूटर का यूज रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ पेशेंट्स का रिकॉर्ड रखने के लिए किया जाता है क्या बैंक में? No, this is wrong. So you have to write the false. F लिखेंगे because ये sentence wrong है. Patients का रिकॉर्ड तो कहाँ रखा जाता है? In hospital. Okay. Now number 2. We can play many games using a computer. Okay. With the help of computer, you can play many games. Is it true or false? कंप्यूटर की हेल्प से बहुत सारे गेम खेल सकते हो? Yes, it's true. So you have to write down T. True. Now number 3. We can use a computer to draw and color. कंप्यूटर का यूज आप कलर और ड्राइंग के लिए भी कर सकते हो. Is it true or false? Yes, true. So you have to write down true. Now number 4. A computer can calculate very fast. कंप्यूटर जो है बहुत जल्दी कैलकुलेशन करता है, बहुत फास्ट करता है. Is it true? Yes. So again you have to write true. Okay. So you have to download that revision sheet and write down the answers. Okay. Thank you.